Welcome to another adventure. Hello, my darlings. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I'm creating beautiful church for Easter, where we worship our God. And I'm going to try to make a church that is similar to my Macedonian church. I'm using this wooden tray from thrift store and 10 of these mini arch windows purchased from Hobby Lobby. I'm gluing them on top of this tray and creating an oval shape form. Create the bottom of my church. Next, on each corners of the windows, I'm adding half a beads for extra details. Next, I'm using these wires purchased from Walmart and gluing them on every second window. Just like so. And adding beads just like that. When I added all of them, I'm trying to connect them together, and I'm thinking if I got a thicker wire was going to be easier. This wire is so soft, however, it did its job and looked good so far. Now, when I connect all the beads rows together, on top I have added a round wooden plaque, glue it, just like so, and on top I have glued this beautiful curved round wood on top of the smaller wood. Next, I'm adding wooden cutout cross, and I'm adding one of these crosses from Dollar Tree. Can't choose which one. They all look beautiful, so I'm just gluing one of the smaller one to the large cutout cross. I'm still figuring out which one's gonna look the best. I'm gluing the cross on top of my church, and my church is done to decorate it. I didn't color it because I like the mixture of the lighter wood and the darker wood combo. So now I'm gonna add some decorations. I'm gonna add some greeneries, some icons from Saint Mary and Jesus. And that icon that I just showed you, it's brought to me from Jerusalem, from my very good friends. They brought it to us from their trip from Jerusalem when they had it a couple of years ago, and it's really dear to me. After adding the greeneries, I'm adding that Dollar Tree stand, and I'm gonna flip it upside down where my icon from Mary and Jesus gonna stand in the middle. You gotta let me know what you think. I'm really in love in this church. Today, I'm so happy that I'm a part of another Around the World series, Collab Easter Around the World, with my irreplaceable, irresistible, unmistakable, remarkable, best of the best creators in one place. And on top, we got 4 huge giveaways. We all got together, so many of us, so much inspirations, motivated by Easter around the world, and one of the most important holidays in our religion with that amazing 4 giveaways, 3 Amazon gift cards and 1 gift basket. US residents only, I'm sorry. So whoever likes to enter for these giveaways, they will need to enter secret word to each video, and no worries. You have plenty of time to enter. You have until March 25th to enter. Good luck. We'll talk about my secret word later on this video. With that being said, for my next DIY, I'm creating a sign, He is risen. Using a wooden cutout, He is risen, and wooden sign from Hobby Lobby. I'm gluing the cutout to the sign. I'm using the lighter just to get rid of the glue extra pieces. Next, I will be adding greeneries from Dollar Tree, mini roses with green leaves. First, I cut them off and I will add them on top and then on the bottom. I'm adding a cross cutout to my sign, and I'm still figuring out. I'm really loving these crosses cutouts from Dollar Tree. Trying to choose which one's gonna fit the best. Using the lighter just to get rid of the glue pieces. Next, I'm making a bow. See how it's gonna look. I'm just rolling the ribbon as long as it is. I'm making a tails out of it, and the rest of it I put it together, tie it with a twine, and I'm gonna open up the loops on each side. Came out 2 on each side, I believe 2 or 3, 2. And I'm gonna put it on top in the middle of the greeneries. I changed my mind. It doesn't look good. So instead, I have made a jute twine bow and glue it in the middle of the greeneries. And that's it for this amazing He is Risen sign. You gotta let me know what do you think. For my last DIY is one and only Jesus. I have print out on Hippo decal water slide, and I'm cutting the edges so it can fit on my wooden sign. Added a Mod Podge to seal it, just like so. And when it's all dry, I add it in a warm water, and I'm removing the bottom portion of the paper and at the top on my wooden plaque. And I'm using a paper, I'm using a tissue to go over smoothly and make sure my print is nice and smooth on my wooden sign. And that's about it for this icon of God. It looks beautiful, vintage look. I'm really loving it how it came. And I forgot, my secret word is believe. That is the word we all want to know, right? Believe in truth. Good luck to all who will enter. Wish you all the best. And before I let you go to enjoy my final reveal, don't forget to check out the playlist with my amazing, talented, good friends. All links from their channels are in my description box, along with the amazing playlist. And to my creator friends, I just want to wish you nothing but the best. And to all of you watching my videos, thank you so much for beautiful comments you are always leaving. I love you all, and I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye bye.